If you want to change the look and feel of Mozilla Firefox, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the theme in Firefox step by step, so you can customize your browser and make it look the way you want. Whether you want something dark, colorful, minimal, or just a fresh new style, Firefox makes it easy to switch themes in just a few clicks. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. Once the browser is open, look to the top right corner of the window. You'll see the menu button, which is represented by 3 horizontal lines. Click that menu button to open Firefox's main options. From the menu, click Settings. This will take you into the browser settings area, where you can manage different parts of Firefox, including appearance and add-ons. After that, look for the option called Extensions and Themes. Click it, and Firefox will open the Add-ons Manager in a new tab. Now that you're in the Add-ons Manager, look at the left-hand side panel. You'll see several categories there, and one of them will be Themes. Click Themes to open the section where Firefox stores and manages its visual styles. On the Themes page, scroll down until you find the option that says Find More Themes. Click that, and Firefox will open its theme library, where you can browse a wide variety of designs created for the browser. Take your time here and browse through the available themes. You can look for something that fits your personality, your workflow, or even your mood. Some themes are simple and clean, while others are more vibrant and eye-catching. When you find one you like, click on it to open the Themes Details page. On the theme page, you'll see a preview and a description of how the theme will look in Firefox. If it looks good to you, click Install Theme. Firefox will then ask you to confirm the installation. When prompted, click Add to apply the theme to your browser. As soon as you add it, the new theme will be installed and applied right away. You should now see Firefox with its updated appearance, giving your browser a brand new look. And that's it. You've successfully changed the theme in Firefox. It only takes a few moments. And now you know exactly where to go anytime you want to switch things up again. If this video helped, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick and useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.